Hi, this is Prabhakarachari. Greetings from India. Welcome to my channel. Namaste. Let us discuss about bezel setting. The bezel setting is a bold and uncompromising choice for an engagement ring, turning heads wherever it is worn. This concise guide dishes on one of the oldest jewelry settings in the world, covering pros, cons, and everything else the modern couple needs to know. What is bezel setting? The bezel setting is a type of gemstone setting that surrounds and hold the center stone using a continuous band of metal. This setting, also known as rub over, holds the gem with a projecting lip that overlaps the edges of the stone. Only the crown of a bezel set gem is exposed. What is bezel setting? The bezel setting is one of the earliest settings for precious stones, with archaeological evidence of its use throughout history. Primitive examples of this simple setting involved creating a hole or slot for the stone in the metal and bending the metal over the edges of the stone. Examples of bezel set stones have been found in the jewelry in ancient Egypt and the Roman and Byzantine empires. Types of bezel setting. Bezel setting engagement rings are versatile with popular style including full bezel setting. This metal rim of the bezel setting completely wraps around the stone for a secure hold. Partial bezel setting. This metal setting only surrounds the center stone, exposing more of the stone and allowing in light. Split bezel setting. The stone is set in an almost full bezel with section splits. High set bezel setting. The stone in the bezel setting is set high against the band to increase its prominence. Low profile bezel setting. The stone is set flush to the band of the engagement ring, with the point of the stone within the ring and the margins of the stone surrounded by the band. Plain bezel setting. Plain bezel rings have an unadorned rim of metal surrounding the center stone. Fancy bezel setting. Jewelers can further detail bezel engagement rings by adding micropave, a halo, milgrain detailing, or side stones to accent the bezel set center stone. Bezel engagement rings. Bezel engagement rings are experiencing a revival in popularity. The simplicity of bezel setting elegantly sets the center stone in clean lines for a unique, discreet look. It does a great job of protecting the center stone, perfect for dentists, artists, craftspeople, and anyone with active lifestyle. Perhaps most importantly, the bezel given a ring a unique look no other setting can replicate, and in the case of Prabhakar and Sons bezel rings, a row of dainty side stones adds magnificent side sparkle to the bezel metal strip. The bezel setting is one of the earliest settings for precious stones with archaeological evidence of its use throughout history. The bezel setting works with any diamond cut because the bezel setting is so simple. You can make it work with any diamond shape. The bezel design simply follows the outer edge of the stone. Choose a bezel setting for round, brilliant cut diamonds, Marquise diamonds, Pierre diamonds, oval diamonds. Our master setters skillfully use a minimal amount of metal to display as much of the stone as possible. Prabhakar and Sons bezel engagement rings make the center stone appear larger than its carat size to observers. If you and your intended is considering the bezel setting, here are some great reasons to go for it. A protective setting. The bezel setting beautifully frames your diamond while protecting it for impact, unlike prongs which expose much of the diamond. The continuous rim of metal in a bezel protects the stone at all times. Perfect for an active lifestyle. Bezel settings keep a diamond in its place at all times. There is no risk of losing the center stone when you are training, walking with your hands, or wearing gloves. Perfect for active people and professionals. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.